Hello and welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Megalia. Here are the headlines for today. Nurses divided over exam results in Meghalaya. VPP urges action on delayed DCRG for retired teachers. Recovery efforts continue in Garo Hills landslide tragedy. And HYC advocates for youth employment and rehabilitation. And now the news in detail. In Meghalaya, the All Megalia Nurses have called for the suspension of examination results from the Megalia Medical Services Recruitment Board, citing inconsistencies. They demand a re-evaluation of the exam process before any results are released. Conversely, on October 7th, a group of qualified staff nurses who successfully passed the same exam urged the authorities to release the results without delay. Leaders Mary Bahun Marbanyang, Edelfil Marbanyang and Shempang Wankar expressed their commitment to their studies and preparation, emphasizing their hard-earned success. We have nothing against those advocating for a suspension. However, we believe our results should be announced, said Marbanyang. The qualified staff nurses are willing to wait for any resolution regarding the concerns raised, but they firmly believe in the integrity of their achievements and seek prompt action from the recruitment board.
Kunjung itu para bea ini aku kunjung, orang dia juga saham dengan kunjung ini dia jangan ajung kami BBB, paling saya boleh buat, buat jumut ini kejumut kepentingan saya po saya berapa apa ini nak kalian jumut kita pas, buat sorka kalian, buat kerja kalian cemat yang nikah, itu proses nomor kalian nomor ini pas tak jadi sistem, tak jadi report kepentingan Khubor Juru mo man dengan siapa tu ini tang tahi isu.
So jong kita sistem jongan jongki dengan try manu ini biasa pun dia kata ti nomor bangiyo kerja kani ke result ti kali ini maka kita sistem tak ada tak ada dan hangi ni dawa pen long ye ko hok la jong kani kamni ko ngin point how you know la ni justify yang you know hendai kalau tam ni voice ya kan ida jong kani ko hok la jong ni la pas ya kani ko hok ka kita sistem ti nak tak ada balingin sa form ni lo kiba pas kani exam ti nak tak ada long ni dan hangi bagi ke part ban kita tak physical verification maka long di lo postpone ni sa ya cuma maka kakung pencintaan kampus tentang kita tiba long deserving continue lifestyle itu ke number of course they hendai nang di hari pada yang ketua I notification di ombak itu ke list ke beli kalasan cancel di hadiah nasi kosi ini sebenarnya ke fresh one bagi kau nak tanya itu di as per the vacancy kan kamu tahu sih sepandung sangat di hadiah kata list kita pas ini nak kata dami mungkin nak kami nanti ini pas ini pun ini mungkin harus show the qualified candidates katuhi ketika part juga DHS meeting di tangki nong yang exam dia hakabedi bagato nakrai ke DHS kala penmi eka news pada Peit hakitu kila clarify ki barokat issues dan ki doubts ki done regarding the result kila penmi ki magi kila clarify magi tingi nimdan part hakabedi bagata tingi ke proses ka jimun ke bagidan hani keritang katahi ka bai dong bangin kerpa ki board ki bahalor ki higher authorities ba kinsnom ha balung delay lagi postpone ya kata physical verification kumakila ai worship host ni tingi ru corporate ya kata host ni hendrai long hati jo kata ni kermen bani ya kami dan tibe bakani recruitment process kan ya chakman tadi
terkumpul bayar to
sure bangin mi chakmat tu ila okay we asmong kata Khubor bang don kum kata ka jingmi jung tadi roll number di bakal to exam hendrai la de Peit to galap tai Khubor terus ni nak kalian kabut kila de bang syai kata bakam dan ni ikut kata mereka dek jing bakala bakajing soto bakala nak kalian ki candidate kabami ketu ke isu ki omba don rule number mereka don baik bagi baik ho exam dan jing aktif la ni ke exam ka long fair ni de kindia la dani Peit house nam araja khatnyo araja kendai ya ka exam ka ba conduct ka DHS ak report ban recruit ki staff nurse ki hiti por la ki ka result ka ba ki penni.
On October 7th, leaders of the Voice of the People Party met with the Commissioner and Secretary of the Education Department to address the delayed disbursement of the Death Cum Retirement Gratuity DCRG of 10 lakh rupees for retired and deceased teachers. MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang highlighted that some teachers have been waiting for over 5 years to receive their entitled benefits, while others just months into retirement have already received their gratuity. This inconsistency is unacceptable, Marbanyang stated. He added that he had previously raised this issue in the Legislative Assembly, where the Chief Minister promised action, but no steps have been taken since then. The party is calling for urgent attention to rectify the situation, ensuring that all eligible teachers receive their rightful DCRG without further delay. The issue remains a significant concern for the educators and the families affected by the bureaucratic lag.
Death cum retirement gratuity. Agaba ki nong kai ki institutions, tagalong marsin song thai, ani don na ki ba khatno jengpor iyo ebrika song pisa dira ba shpulak. They got a pretty more eat along by Shibu and Kagi. Don't come back to a song like Isao Sansnet. They had no untan. Kem Patio, Yagalika, DCRG. The Katari Bangi, Wanra, Namar Kaku Kajuyo, Jit Kajuni, Pan, Kabasu, Lingo Colomba, Don Katuni would pat Kinohikai. Give a machine some type pan, Kilayo. The believe in Yoshina Kama. Yakiba Pimon Pi, Yakiba Pimon, Pimai. Dia kata kapan ni kuat bani. Kerana makanya kita matu kapan kalian kacungan aku Emily, kalau dia penerah akan ni ruh poka yang dorba. Bat nak kalian jom Chief Minister lalu Khubor, lalu Minister lom bau Chief Kiai kan ni. Nrai hadu banta kan ni kadang sah, kadang lom kunju ni. Nrai kini kapan ni semua lom ba kadang kajing jauh siap. Mat banyak kerana baru Commissioner Secretary baru dewan ban pembek mardor habai debat kan ni. Teka ba arpat kadi ka ba habi batkan ka this party habi bat ka peace skill kidon ki nong ikai haba ki joint service la advertise ki as per UGC peace skill oh kadi ka UGC sanction course mereka basuli no kalong ba oh boros kata habangi ni joint service oh i Dr. Bosco menchai kai college mangar kunjur na tayo Dr. Kara bat ki wei patlu habangi joint UGC peace skill martian kamu the moment you join, kamu iyo tak tukar peace skill ni, UGC peace skill. Nerima tak? Ikan nak iyo semua perkiraan kayak gitu apa? Ki join UGC peace skill, mereka bahadu mendapat kimio ini UGC peace skill, iyo nak state peace skill. Dia kata kadai kaba, milara ban hakmat jomu Commissioner and Secretary. Nanti kita dulu kamat kabalai kabanyira agak dibagi PhD Advanced Increment. Mau kino ikai, nak kini mesti ki bagian take up research, mau kenang ba, kita aman contribute shibun, abdi baca budi uji, baca emlang kesalan. Bun nak kino ikai, buat bring jom kaji ikai joki, Henry Itrestom pendat ya ka PhD. Bakat pun kaji UGC regulation, kapatai bah macam ke PhD kidon kita kidon kaji yonom, ya kaji Itrestom joki dan video itaka increment. Henry, ini bamta kita ru kam dan su dia makterang iwan marah dia kata bat kawai pat ka bakta ba kani ya bun snen kata kani habini ba kwa ban ra ya kani age restriction mau banbu ya age ba habini ba ka kam nong ikai dengan skwa bat pentilmau nomor ba UGC regulation that if go through the UGC regulation kam dan age ba undan ka age limit anyone can enter provided mau di gobian. Pada government government kejungi kekeren nak buat course improve education. Oh kekeren nak buat pan rei ke kejungi kejungi kalau nak kompong. Ki restrict yaki nong hikai. Dia hingkran yang kam nong hikai kam tam.
On the morning of October 7th, rescue teams in South Garo Hills recovered the 7th body from a family affected by a landslide in Hathiasa Songma village. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announced the recovery via social media, identifying the victim as 60-year-old Sil J.R. Marak. This follows the recovery of 6 other family members' bodies the previous day. The devastating floods and landslides in the region have now claimed a total of 15 lives. Rescue efforts are ongoing as the community grapples with the aftermath of this tragic event. On October 7th, the NEHU Youth Council HYC, led by President Japlang Kharnayor, met with Mitala Chandra, Deputy Commissioner of Eastern Khasi Hills, to address crucial issues facing the district's youth. The council urged the government to announce job vacancies across all departments and expedite recruitment examinations through the district selection committee to create more opportunities for young candidates. Additionally, the NEHU Youth Council HYC raised concerns about the rising drug addiction rates among the youth. They called for the establishment of a rehabilitation center in the district to support those struggling with addiction and help them reclaim their health. The meeting underscored the HYC's commitment to enhancing youth welfare in the region.
HYC Northwest Khasi District Kalawan ban ya kendu ya EADC harangkat ki Deputy Commissioner jongka Eastern West Khasi District nakaliang kejungi hakdin kejingi ut nakaliang jing Peit ba te nila simkia banwan sini office ban ya kendu EADC habidi bakini Austing post ka kathau habidi bakini ki sanction post nani ki ban kan post ki ban sayile exam ning ba kani EADC te nakaliang kejungi hadin ngajing yo snow ba kejing kathung opshitting hangni kala jur ha nakaliang kejungi la request ya Deputy Commissioner maharangkat ki ADC ba kalau ka opshitting post kidi ban pelat ling ba advertisement kenang begini kena kejungi kiba kwa bantrei lari yo 10,000 ni kesan jar ni kamon jungki bantri dia kapenlong iki ikna ki start ni kena belong ki experience bio experience dimenta jing bem pelat igni offsetting ik kata bagi gini kena ki bakwa bantri kam te kani kadika bankong te habidi bakani hadin banglayo kani kren ayo skon ban habidi don ki kashwaru ki bathung ki badon hangni kana kata habidi begini ru klem advertisement ik kata bagi kena wat kam wat jam banang ta ki kontraktual ki don Kena kata nakaliang jong seng hika kentu ya Deputy Commissioner ya keren meni hang tu ya keren seni ha balda kamnu ru di apply optician ya bro kini post ti kata jing keren jongi ti kentu nang ni khmat ba nakaliang jong ka di siru ba ngila kentu yiki ba ki di ban prestat no khabidi ban tho igni exam ki jongki namar ba kajing slam pala ban tho igni exam ru kata bhai igni ki sanction post namar ba kajing kata kajong ki ngi ibal da kimdon ni offsetting ru mono ban trai bidi hakapus ka bigi di ban trai tani ngi iba ada pun slam ngi kedang yok kebu gini offsetting te suki paski ni offsetting ngi iba leng nga smutu ba leng ba.
On the 7th of October, the Maukarwat District Sports Association MDSA inaugurated its newly launched 2nd, 3rd and 4th division tournaments for players aged 18 and under. The event took place in the Maukarwat CNRD block with BDO Ba Ai Laurnyang serving as the chief guest, joined by MDSA officials and staff from the District Sports Office of Southwest Khasi Hills. In the matches, Maujai FC triumphed over Dirang FC with a score of 3-0 in the 2nd division. In the 3rd division, Rangmau SC edged out Nangkiu Shaprang Rangblang FC with 1-0, while Domsokhai SS and CC defeated Jerlang SNCC with 1-0 in the 4th division. The tournaments aim to promote youth engagement in sports in the district.
Like what can she get? She doesn't get one kasi ito ba? Practice. Mo tham may Khubor ba pisno boring. Mo hakati kay kamo kamu practice kana Khubor ba bitai so ba kay da sin practice ba sin. Ni hakatu Khubor pisno boring so tha. Hakatu Khubor bitai ba practice. Mo tam shu snap ya kata kan mo bi mo ka ta pa ya practice bi bi. Le ta hi lo bi. Ni le practice. Ni le ka ni Khubor ba bi iyo ba ka ta bi bi. Ani ba chile ay bi.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.